This video is for all of our users who do not use Facebook but want to watch our live streaming services on Sundays. So even if you don't have a Facebook account, you still can get into Facebook. Now I'm not going to put my account in and click login. I'm going to type in this address that's at the top and go to King of Peace MCC and press the enter key. It's going to bring us to our Facebook page, and it's going to ask me to create an account or log in. Scroll down, scroll until this particular screen pops up where it says it wants you to log in or create a new account. At the very bottom of create a new account, there's something that's called Not Now. And if you click on Not Now, that box disappears. The next item I would like for you to click on, because you can see our pages in the video from March 15th, is to click on Videos, which is off to the right under Home, About, Events, Photos, Video. Click on Videos. Once you click on Videos, you can see all of our videos for all of our services that we have on Facebook. On Sunday morning, when we go live, you will see a link under this video bar here that shows that there is a live recording going on. Click on that and you should be able to watch the services on Facebook without a Facebook account and live streaming. Let's give it a go and see what we can do. This is Reverend Gina Durbin. Blessings to you, and let's make this work. Thank you.